Nothing better than reading the Guinness Book World Records of 2019 on a hot, sunny day when I should be doing some other stuff like going to Walmart, having food, but no. This stuff. Look how big boned this guy is. This guy weighs 1,311 pounds. Boy, he needs to go see a doctor after he weighs that much. He can't even have another double cheeseburger after that. He must have eaten a lot of cheese puffs and eaten Mountain Dew. And he's playing guitar, so I wonder. He must be in a mariachi band or something. I don't even know. And he's got something around his nose, just to help him breathe. I've had those in my mouth once, in my nose once. That was to help me breathe while I got my wisdom teeth out. Believe me.
2 hours later.
Hi, yo, wake up. Wake up, Sonny. Wake up. Oh, hey there, mister. How's it going? It's going well. How come every time I look over here, you automatically do that? Jeez. Well, what do you want to do? I'm just reading my book. Your book? How many... Is that going on meds or what has it been eating? Heaviest man in the world. Heaviest man in the world. What's his name? Juan Pedro Franco Celis? This guy's definitely from Mexico. He is. That's why I wanted to go this morning. Go where? Did you ruin Christmas? No! You think I would ruin Christmas? Oh, come here. Read this book, you silly goose. Read this book. Bro, why'd you have to do that? Here, I'll tell you a lesson. Oh, look. It's Movie Maker. This is... Hey, Movie Maker, catch this. There. Feel any better now, mister? Okay, smash. Why did I go down with you? I don't know, just I want to read my book in peace. Well, you better have taken this somewhere else. Oh, that's what I'll do. I'll take this book somewhere else.
Eventually.
Well, the shower, perfect place to read books. Okay. Now back to what I was open. Okay, it looks like we have here. Ooh, we have reptiles. Looks like we have. Oh man, boy, that is a heavy reptile right there. Am I right, camera? Indeed, we are going to have some fun with this one. Oh my goodness, I really have to go. Oh god, here we go, nothing. Are we doing? That's much better. Well, time to leave. Why? What? Oh! He's got 3 days to live. Oh, man. 3 days to live? Gee, I didn't think it would end this way. But I better say my last words. My last words are. Where did you get that camera from? J. Are results out yet? Nope. Okay. I'm gonna die here.
Approximately 10 hours later.
I should probably get back to reading my book. I mean, well, it actually turns out that all I did was pass out in the shower. I mean, the doctor thought I was going to die. Sheesh, I mean, that was just a mistake. Well, I should probably get back to reading my book. See you guys later.